What's going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy this tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below to what you would like to get certified in and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. Microservice architect, or better known as microservices, are a specific designing method for software systems to structure a single application as a collection of loosely coupled services. At first, applications tend to begin as a monolithic architecture and over time grows into a set of interconnected microservices. By doing that, it could then attempt to address a single concern, such as a data search, login functions, or web service functions. This approach increases flexibility since the whole structure doesn't need to go down when addressing an issue. So let's go over 5 reasons why companies you should learn microservices. When the product built by developers becomes completed and stable and it goes out to the market to be used by the customer, this is when the team developers split into mainly the following activities: fixing bugs, changing existing features, implementation of new features. So if there was a situation on a monolithic framework, each and every change to the code base will have to pass through all the stages of build, maintain, and deploy. So this is where microservices come in. Microservices resolve organizational-based issues, making it easy to debug and test applications. With the help of this framework, continuous delivery, testing process, and ability to deliver ever-free applications improve drastically. Unlike monolithic applications where dedicated teams work for each function like maintaining server-side logic, handling database, microservices uses the continuous delivery model to handle the complete life cycle of an application. The testing teams such as developers, operations work simultaneously on a single service performing activity such as building, testing, and debugging. This strategic approach of development enables the code to be continuously developed, tested, and deployed. So by doing this, you do not have to reinvent the code every time you make a change. You could just use it from existing libraries. Each service has the freedom to use its own language and framework. Even with the use of such diverse framework, the services still communicate easily with each other. Services in the application since microservices encourage to use the most appropriate technology for the specific need of the server. If you want to match scalability, then microservices outperform many other architectural choices out there. Just think you could scale up a single function of service without having to scale the entire application. Services can be deployed on multiple servers for increased availability and performance without disturbing the performance of the other services. Microservices will make it easy to locate bottleneck scaling and then resolve those issues. Keep in mind, each service is a separate entity in the framework of microservices. This allows localized changes, higher confidence in the quality and end-to-end regression scenarios. So even if a component or service goes down, the complete application doesn't go down with it. This will reduce the risk of complete shutdown of your business application. With the microservices private database, it could collect, ingest, process, and deliver the data for the business functionality. It uses minimal resources with a reduced cost of ownership. Microservices reduce the infrastructure cost, minimize downtime, optimize the resources, and make the code reusable. Being certified a microservices software engineer average salary range from $97,994 upwards to $116,027 as a senior software engineer, according to Indeed.com. So not only the individual level, but hyper-growth companies such as Comcast Cable, Uber, Netflix, Amazon, eBay, SoundCloud uses these microservices in their structure. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done and I'll reply back. You can also check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I will also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses right here floating around. Hope they catch you on the next tutorial. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.